You see this hair? Motherfucker for the nation. Don't judge me. Don't come for me because I'm going to come for your motherfucking ass. Do not come for me, bitch. Okay? Let me see. Can I fuzz it out a little bit? You know, just can I fuzz it out too? Shit. You know what I'm saying? Can I fuzz it out too? Mm-hmm. See y'all in a bit. Now I'm finna do the edges. Pray for me, Lord. Just pray for me. Pray for me. Whoa, pray for me. Ow. Pray for me. Oh, I hate this motherfucking edge control. But you better pray for me. Ow. Pray for me. Ow. Pray for me. Woo! Shit hurts. But I ain't finished yet, y'all. Pray for me. Mm-hmm. Pray for me. Ow. We gonna put some right there. See, because I don't want y'all to see this. These little tracks and shit. Pray for me. Ow. Oh, shit. I can wet this hair too, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'll be back. Some warm water and condition up so I can wet this hair. It can be wet. Yes, it can get wet. This is real hair. It can get wet, so when I get finished, you know, baby, you woo-hoo-hoo. One more time. Cause I'm a bad motherfucker. Bad motherfucker. Okay. Give it y'all in a minute. See, I want that wet look. Let me wet it up again. I want that wet look. I want this wet look. Then I got my brush. And I got my comb. I want the wet look, baby. Okay. It's nice to get it a little wet. Yes. Give me that wet look, baby. Give it here, baby. Oh, my bad, y'all. Give me that wet look, baby. Ooh. Okay. Alright, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna take a picture. Y'all like how I did my hair? I wet that bitch up. How I do? Okay, let me show y'all this. The back part. Alright, y'all.